Hi, Kit Collie. This book is called Away in My Airplane, which is kind of where I am right now, away in my airplane. Riding along in my airplane, over the clouds and through the rain. Riding along in my airplane, sometimes I meet a bird way up high in the sky, flying almost as fast as I fly, but not nearly as high. Riding along in my airplane, out of the sunlight and into the rain. Then out of the clouds and sun again, riding along in my airplane. Down below the people go, very small and very slow. They look like bugs and ants and flies. I would wonder if they realize what they look like to my eyes. I wave to the sun. I shout to the rain. Then with a roar of my motors that drowns me out, I dash straight up in the air and wheel about. I plunge through the sunlight. I hurl through the rain. Then I glide down to the earth in my airplane. The end. Love you, Kit Collie, King of the Bub Club. Hope you're doing good.